credit or forgiving stuff. But it's about inspiring each other. It's about being a team. Okay? So for now, i-enjoy nyo siya. Okay? And also, as I've said, you have to not only limit your opinion of Zaithia on what you are, on your activities now and what you're doing now, but it's important to look what the others have achieved, the other people ahead of you, ahead of us, diba? Okay, so that you will be inspired, not only by me but by them also. Okay, yung mga top-notchers natin, like sina Mr. Limon, kilala niyo ba sila? Sina Mr. Kinsay, diba? Okay, so I hope that by doing that, kasi isipin nyo, part din sila ng organization nyo. Once naging officers, members din sila ng organization nyo. So you could be like them also. Diba? Who knows, one of you will top the exam. Diba? Sa mga fourth year, diba? Okay, so moving forward. Okay, moving forward, pagdating naman sa career, so kanina, I talked to Dean. I told him, I'm not prepared. What am I going to say? So sabi niya, talk about the profession. Okay? Hindi lang naman sa, since may mga MA dito, di ba? Okay, so, accountancy as a profession. So, note about that. Last year, I was a part of a bank. I was with Rural Bank. Okay. So, entry level, okay naman yung offer. And then, dahil CPA, maganda agad yung binibigay nilang opportunities. Okay. Pagdating sa organization, after 2 months, dinoble yung sweldo, binigyan ng sasakyan. Ganun yung perks class. You will also enjoy that. You will also enjoy that. Once accountant kayo, once naging CPA kayo. And even if you're not a CPA, there's a demand. There's a demand for accountants, kahit siguro management accountants. Diba? So you see, you should take your studies very seriously. Okay? Kasi entry level, yes, magagamit mo yung lisensya mo, magagamit mo yung degree mo, accountant, management accountant. But pagdating doon, pagdating sa trabaho, it's all about performance, di ba? So, you have to really know what accounting is all about. Kasi pagpasok mo sa trabaho, you have to be really good at it. So, you take advantage of the time that you have. Okay? Since I'm a teacher now, I'm an educator, I know that it is our responsibility to, of course, educate you. But also, you must own the responsibility. Okay? As early as now, do not take your education for granted. Hindi yung papasok ka lang sa school to pass. Parang you shouldn't just limit yourself to that. Kasi you should own the responsibility of educating yourselves also. Because if you do that, it will pay off pagdating nyo sa workplace. Okay? Pagdating sa workplace, pag marunong talaga kayo, you will shine. Yes, shine. Hindi po ako kakanta. So anyway, I know that I am not a success story yet. Parang past na yata eh. Parang nag-standing ovation na kayo dun sa mga achievements ko dati. Tapos yun na lang yata. So, I'm not a success story. I'm not very successful yet. Sana yet. Okay? But with my license and with my education, I would like to become one. I would like to become a success story later. So I hope na later pag maging guest speaker ulit ako, meron naman na ako talagang right. Or meron na akong i-share talaga or something to be really, really proud of. But anyway, I hope that, yun nga, I am on my way to becoming one. And you also, all of you, are on your way to becoming a success story yourselves. Okay, so, I know that you're hungry already, because I am too. So I'll end this speech, and I hope you'll forgive me if it's a little not organized because yun nga, it's like parang replacement lang ako, wala yung speaker nyo na sana nandito yung regional advisor of JP, but I guess he's sick yata. So with that, I hope that somehow kahit konti I inspired you. Okay. So to our Dean, Mr. Dr. Clemente P. Claro, and to all of you, good morning.
Thank you, ma'am, for that inspiring message. Indeed, we will take note of that. In our own simple ways, we will remember that message.